Want to create YouTube videos that attract thousands of views in just 5 minutes without showing your face, no editing skills, and no speaking on camera? Welcome to Petter AI Profit, where I share easy ways to make money with AI, even if you're not tech savvy. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because at the end of this video, I'll reveal a powerful AI tip that can help you succeed. Did you know that there's now an AI tool that lets you create human-like voices in multiple languages, even in dialogue format, without needing to record anything yourself? If you're into powerful AI tools that save you time and help you make money online, make sure to subscribe to Petter AI Profit right now. And watch until the end. There's a bonus resource I don't want you to miss. Let me ask, ever wanted to make YouTube videos in different languages, or even with different voices, but felt stuck because of voiceovers? Or maybe you're tired of robotic-sounding AI voices? Well, Elevenlabs V3 just dropped a powerful new update, and it changes everything. With the new Lab V3, you can now generate audio that sounds natural, emotional, and even conversational, with multiple characters speaking in a dialogue format. It's perfect for story-style YouTube videos or educational content. You can set up 2 or more voices, male, female, different accents, and have them talk to each other, just like in a podcast or drama. Let me walk you through the steps real quick. Screen recording style. 1. Go to elevenlabs.io. I'll leave the link in the description. 2. Log into your account. If you're new, you can start with the free plan. 3. Head to the new Speech Synthesis V3 area. Now here's where the fun begins. Inside, you'll see a ton of voice models, like Adam, Rachel, or even community-trained voices. You can pick a voice, paste your script, choose narration or dialogue mode, preview, and adjust. Let me show you. I'll drop in a short script, assign 2 voices, 1 male, 1 female, and hit generate. Listen to this.
I just tried Video Gen. You type in your script, pick a voice, and boom, your video's ready. It's never been this easy.
I don't know how to edit videos, but using AI is super easy. Just a few lines of text and it adds voice and music for you.
I used to spend hours editing. Now, just a few clicks and the video's done. If I knew this AI trick earlier, I'd be famous by now.
I just tried Video Gen. You type in your script, pick a voice, and boom, your video's ready. It's never been this easy.
I don't know how to edit videos, but using AI is super easy. Just a few lines of text and it adds voice and music for you.
I used to spend hours editing. Now, just a few clicks and the video's done. If I knew this AI trick earlier, I'd be famous by now.
Sounds amazing, right? What if you don't love the voice? No worries, you can switch anytime. And here's a pro tip. You can clone your own voice if you want to sound 100% like yourself. Or create a unique brand voice for your channel. But that's not all. There's another game-changing tool inside Elevenlabs, the AI sound effect generator. Let's say you need a rooster crowing, or a car speeding by, or even crowd noise. Instead of searching endlessly online or paying for licenses, just generate it right here. You can control sound type, duration, volume and intensity, click Create, and boom! It generates multiple versions for you to pick. If you're building faceless YouTube channels, these tools are a goldmine. You can generate voices in multiple languages, add sound effects without editing software, mix narration and character dialogue, create localized content for global audiences. There's even a content cloning feature, where you can upload a video or audio and the tool helps convert it into different languages or formats. It's not something I use for long videos, but for shorts or quick explainers, total time saver. Want to try cloning your own voice? Just head to the Voice Lab section inside Elevenlabs, upload a sample of your voice, at least 1 minute, give it a name, and let AI do the magic. Then you can use your cloned voice in any script going forward. Let me show you how I use this to produce a trending Bigfoot explainer video. With a cloned voice, background sound effects, and multilingual subtitles. The whole video took less than 30 minutes, with 0 recording or editing. I now create 3 to 5 videos per day with this workflow, saving hours daily and growing multiple YouTube channels. I've put together a bonus package, a list of my favorite AI tools, step-by-step videos on how I use them to make money, and a PDF summary of my full YouTube automation workflow. Want it? Just 1. Subscribe to this channel 2. Fill out the form in the pinned comment 3. Check your email. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a YouTube video using AI in just a few minutes. Comment below and let me know. What keyword will you try first? If you found this helpful, give it a like to support me. And don't forget to subscribe to Petter AI Profit so you won't miss the easiest money-making AI tools I'll share in the next video. See you in the next one.